Hi friends, very good afternoon all of you. Welcome to CAP classes. Are you writing CA examinations in Jan February cycle? So ICAI has given opt-out option for the students who were writing November 2020 examinations. As you know, November cycle 2 exams is going to be scheduled and is going to be conducted in Jan February 2021, which is exactly 1 month from today, or maybe less than 1 month from today. Many students asked me, Pavan sir, is there a chance for changing my examination center? I have opted to write exam in so and so location. Now I want to write exam in so and so location. Is it possible? ICAI has come up with one announcement. You can go to www.icai.org. In that in the examinations wing, there is something called students, examination for students. In that there is announcement. So here, if you observe the first one, I am clicking, from ICAI website. So you can check it here. We are sitting on 23rd December. That means today. On the right hand side, you can see Examination Department, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, 23rd December. That means it is the notification given today. So a very important announcement. That is what they named it for Jan 21 examination students. And good news for you, exam city change application. Okay, so let us read this, and a very simple announcement which can be understood easily. If you find any difficulty, I will try to help you out. In continuation of announcement dated 7th November 2020, provided an opt-out facility to the examinees of November 2020 exams to appear in Jan or May 2021 examinations. Based on candidates opted out or appeared, list of candidates eligible to appear in Jan or May 21 has been finalized. Do you understand what it is? In the November examination, they have given you one option, opt-out. If you are opting out from November examinations, you are given two alternatives. You can choose, I will write the exam in Jan Feb, or you can choose that you will write the exam in May. Many students have opted out from November exam to write in Jan Feb, and especially for Group 2. There are so many students who opted out from November exams and who are going to write exams in Jan February for their Group 2 examinations, be it final or be it CA Inter or IBCC. Okay, now ICAI is saying that they have finalized the list of students who are eligible to write in Jan or who are eligible to write in May 2021. Now you will be concerned, Pavan sir, my name is there or no? How can I check? You can check using ICAI portal, your dashboard in ICAI portal. They are saying that, check here. Students can check the position from their dashboard. You can log in into icaiexam.icai.org. And for the activity tab, they have given this heading, opt-out status display / city change for Jan Feb 2021. Okay, so you can submit this application for change in the city. Students appearing in Jan Feb 2021 exams will also have an opportunity to apply online for the change in their exam city. The above stated facility will be available from 23rd December, 14 hours. That means 2 o'clock. It is going to start now at 2 o'clock. This is going to start to 26th October midnight, 23:59 hours as per Indian Standard Time. So now this will open 23rd December, and you have an option to submit the application online up to the midnight of 26th December. And also they said, for any grievances relating to opt-out, students may use the dashboard at icaiexam.icai.org. You can communicate with ICAI if you have anything to complain about, any grievance. If you have something to communicate, you can communicate that to ICAI. And this is a wonderful opportunity given to students who are writing examinations in Jan Feb. Please don't miss the timelines. It is going to open today, now at 2 o'clock, and this will be there up to 26th. I know tomorrow and day after, because of the Christmas Eve, you will be very busy. So either do it today itself. Do not waste time. Do it today itself. Don't wait up to the last minute. 26th also chance is there, but you will be in a festive mood. So better do it now, or you have time to do it up to 26th also. So this is point number 1. Now ICAI has played their role. Their role is over. Their responsibility is fulfilled. Now what about you? If you are writing exam in Jan-Feb 2021, you do not even have 30 clear days from today. So in the November exam, you have opted out and you have taken a happy, complete breath in and you relax. Thank God, opted out. What now? Again, within 1 month, you have examination. So the pressure and the water level will come up to this. So when you are submitting this kind of application forms and all, stress will be accumulated and you are like, oh my God, I need to prepare again. So my dear friends, you do not have even 30 days. Today is 23rd and your exams are going to start on 21st. And in between, there is one Christmas Eve, there is one New Year Eve, and there is one Pongal. How dangerous it is. Even if you want to study also, the whole world is celebrating Christmas, Pongal and New Year. Definitely you will be distracted. Definitely you will be distracted. And there is no other way to, escape this also. There is no escape route. The whole world is celebrating Diwali, celebrating Pongal, Christmas Eve and New Year. So what are you supposed to do? Simple. As I tell you always, have a proper plan. Remember one thing. Failing to plan properly is planning for failure. What? Failing to plan properly is planning for failure. So if you cannot plan for your exams properly, if you cannot effectively implement the plan, my dear friend, things won't happen, especially at professional examinations like, CA exams. So to help the students, I have prepared a 30 days schedule on how all the subjects can be covered, a rapid revision, last minute revision, how all these things can be, how the vast syllabus can be covered within these 30 days. I have prepared a plan and that is already uploaded in CAP classes mobile application. We do have Android application and we have also iOS. That means for Apple users and iPad users, we have application, mobile application for which supports iOS also. So I suggest you download the app, go to free test series section, download the study plan according to that schedule given to you. And also the happy news is we are conducting 75 examinations for CA intermediate and CA IPCS students absolutely free of cost. Free of cost we are conducting examinations. Daily examination will be there. Daily exam paper will be given to you. Okay, if you need the faculty support in evaluation, presentation techniques, and if you want to improvise yourself, that option is also provided to you. So we have both free test series wherein you can download the question papers, you can write the examinations, you can do self-evaluation, or if you want faculty support, per paper 8 to 10 examinations will be there, minimum 8, maximum 10 examinations, chapter wise, and also mock exams. If you want faculty to evaluate it, we'll provide that at a very nominal fee of 299 rupees. And also last minute revision lectures, LMR, are available with us. Like, auditing, the whole auditing can be completed within 25 to 30 hours. And so many students, after writing examinations, after attending this LMR and after writing examinations, they said, sir, this is really useful. We are able to write all the answers because of this LMR. Both conceptual clarity will be given to you and fast track revision of all the important concepts, including discussion on MTP, RTP, and previously ICAI evaluated answer sheets I have shown, and I told the students on how step by step ICAI evaluates and gives the marks. So if you know these kind of things, you will not commit silly mistakes. So if you want conceptual full length recorded classes or LMR recorded classes, you can contact us. You know my phone number. And if you want to write free study, if you want free study plans and free test series, you can get all these things from CAP classes mobile app. And the summary of this video is ICAI has given a very very important announcement for the students who are writing examination in Jan Feb 2021. These exams are going to happen within 1 month, not even 1 month is there. So you have a chance to change your exam city, change your examination center. Okay, this is point number 1. Point number 2, there is not even 30 days of gap from today to your examination, and the biggest threat is in between you have 3 set of festivals: Christmas Eve, New Year Eve and Pongal. So please plan your preparation properly, otherwise in the last minute you will be stressed and there is no opt out for Jan to write in May examinations. It will be a failure. So I wish you all the very best. Good luck. Please do not waste time. Take a proper study plan and start your preparation. Thank you.